Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do. This is going to be part 2 of the Acme Tools first order. Part 3 will be here Thursday, so I'll do that video then. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody. So like I said in the intro, this is going to be part 2 of 3 of the first order from Acme Tools. I got 2 of the items plus 3 batteries in the first video. I was supposed to get 2 packages today. I guess something happened and it got delayed. So I'm just going to do a video for each. I'll just label them as Acme Tools 1, 2, and 3 for parts. So what I got in the first order, you guys saw, was the installation driver from Milwaukee, as well as the 3 6.0 M12 batteries I got for free. This is one of the other items that I got. I got another $100 wine voucher. I'll let my wife use it. An invoice and another book, another Acme Tools book. So this is number 2. This was the second item I got the free 6 with. It is item number 2520-21XC, as well as the box does show Acme Tools, building, remodeling, woodwork, landscaping, acmetools.com. So this is just going to be a quick look at it. The unboxing will be in a different video. It comes with the M12 Milwaukee Fuel Hacksaw Recip Saw, 1 4.0 XC battery, a M12 charger, and a contractor bag. And what it states on the back: tools 5 years, batteries 3. From what I know, any battery above 3.0, doesn't matter if it's an M12 or an M18 battery, has a 3-year warranty. Any battery under a 3.0, like the 1.5 and the 2, are a 2-year warranty for the battery, excuse me. Over 4 times more run time, up to 70% faster cutting. Shows time of cut: Milwaukee competitor 1 and competitor 2. Milwaukee is red, competitor 1 is yellow. I'm assuming it's talking about DeWalt, but you know, they didn't want to put that, I guess. And competitor 3, I'm not too sure what the gray is. Up to 6 times longer tool life than competitor 2 and 1. Red Link Plus Intelligence chip. Red Lithium XC 4.0 battery pack. Brushless motor. Power state motor. So that's the information. The other tools will be here Thursday. I'll do a part 3 for that one. And then there'll be part 4, 5, and 6, or whatever that's going to be for the other tools I order from Acme Tools, which is another order. We'll do some videos on those, so please stick around for the upcoming videos. Again, this is Hacksaw Recip Saw Kit. It's the fuel. It's 2520-21XC. I ended up getting a free 6 when I ordered this for the Black Friday's sales. I ordered it before Black Friday. I ordered it like 3 weeks ago. 4 weeks ago, something like that. It was like the 16th or 17th of November when I ordered it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!